In these next few screens, we're going to be setting up the lighting in your room. So in this case, the grow room. Now, first thing you're going to do is set up your lighting schedule. Now, if the lights are on constantly in the room, simply select the 24-hour of light box. But if you have your lights on a schedule, simply select here what time you're going to turn them on by scrolling through these and what time they're scheduled to turn off. And again, these are just example numbers. Next, you're going to be setting up what type of light bulbs you have that you're using in this room. So we'll just search lights, select one here. Now this light bulb, the Zola light, is got all this information that is specific to that bulb. Make sure that all of these fields are filled in accurately to the light that you have. If it's not, simply just change the name or change the information that you see here, or you can go back and enter in a new asset in lighting and you can get some points for that. Once again, always make sure that you add the cost of your asset or the light bulb and make sure that you've selected the active box so this goes into your grow. If there are any additional lights in your room that are different, you can add them by selecting yes and you'll go through the same process, or you can just select no and go to the next screen. In this screen, you're going to be setting up the type of hoods that you're using. So simply select or search hoods. And we'll use this tubular hood. And once again, just like all the other assets, the information is in here. Not a whole lot of specifics about hoods, but enter in the cost, the quantity, and make sure the active box is selected. The active box is always going to be selected when adding your assets, but you always want to double check to make sure that you've got specific information in here. It's going to ask you again if you'd like to add any different hoods that you have in this particular room. We're going to select no. And next is assigning the grow system, the type of growing that you're going to be doing in that specific room. If you don't see the way that you're specifically growing in this selection here, you can simply select user added and name your grow system, and then it'll be documented into the Quantum 9 system. But we're going to say we're using Rockwool.